Hello everyone, today I'm going to show the 4 basic database operations. The create, read, update, and delete, also known as GRUB, within the CSU Dormitory Management System. Okay, so let's begin with create function. A create function allows us to add new record on the system. So let's try to add a new dormitory unit. So let's click the add button, then let's fill up the dormitory form. For the dormitory name, let's say this. And then for the location, let's say here. Then click save button to save the new record. Okay, record has been saved successfully. So we have here now the dormitory list. Okay, next function we have the read operation. So read operation allows us to view record. So let's check if the new added unit has been in the system. Next is the read operation. Read operation allows us to view record. So we can view dormitory record data using the built-in search bar and table views. From the record, we can use the search bar to look for latest dorm. Okay, let's try this. So the dormitory has been, or the latest dormitory has been displayed from the table. So again, read operation allows us to access data anytime without any modification. Now let's try the update function. Update function allows us to edit information. Example, the latest dormitory change its name to CSUA dormitory. To change the name, click the pencil icon to make changes. Then let's change the dormitory name from latest dormitory to CSUA dormitory. Then click the update button to update the record. Okay, update successfully. So let's check for the new record CSUA dormitory. So we have here the CSU dormitory. Lastly, the delete function. The delete function allows us to remove record from the system. So let's try to remove the CSUA dormitory from the record. Okay, so let's click the trash bin button. Then the confirmation will appear asking you, are you sure you won't be able to revert this? So if you are sure, then click the yes delete button. Now let's check the record. So as you see, CSUA dormitory is no longer in the record. So the record is permanently deleted from the database. So that's the 4 basic database operations: to create, read, update, delete, create, add new data, read retrieves data, update modifies existing data, and delete removes the unwanted data. Together, these operations forms the foundation of the dormitory management system. That's all for GRUB. Thank you for watching my demonstration of the GRUB operations in the dormitory management system.